Listen, this is not a joke. This works better on forehead wrinkles than a $100 Botox appointment.
And it doesn't just smooth your forehead, it lifts your eyelids and tightens the under eye sag too.
Do this once and you will physically feel your entire upper face lift. Not metaphorically, not spiritually. Like 0.5 millimeters of visible lift, scientifically tiny, emotionally life-changing. And if you keep doing it, your face just keeps getting younger. So, what are we doing? Are we complaining? Or are we lifting? Good, let's go! Hi everyone, I'm Ini. Customize your audio and subtitles here.
We're attacking this from 3 angles, strategic.
First, from the top.
Your forehead. It's part of your frontalis muscle, which means if your scalp is stiff and glued down like old carpet,
your wrinkles are staying. So we loosen the scalp.
Yeah, this is not a wig. This is my scalp. When your scalp moves like this, your forehead skin stretches and lifts naturally.
No needles, no frozen eyebrows. Next, from below.
We release the tight fascia around your eyes. Most people's eye area is clenched like it's been holding stress since 2011.
When you soften the fascia, everything lifts upward. Up, up, up. And finally, we wake up the forehead muscle itself.
We get blood flowing. We boost circulation. We stimulate collagen production.
Translation:
That smooth, glossy baby forehead skin starts coming back online.
you're not aging. Your muscles are just asleep. So let's wake them up.
Stop whenever you need to.
Join my newsletter. Let's start your real adventure after 40. On my other channel, I teach you how to rewire your nervous system and bloom again, mentally, emotionally, energetically. Come bloom with me. Let's reverse time with me right now. Here we go. Make finger joints like this and put them just above your hairline, around here, and massage. Your forehead wrinkles? They don't start in the forehead. Your forehead is connected to your scalp. So when the scalp is tight, your forehead gets pulled and wrinkled. But when you loosen the scalp, you'll feel it. Suddenly, blood rushes to the forehead. Warm, alive, waking up. Welcome to Imi's Rebirthing Lab, where your skin remembers how to be baby smooth again. Let's unwrinkle that forehead with me. Don't stop while ads are on. And now try to grab your scalp and try to move your scalp like this. No, this isn't a wig. Can you move your scalp like this? Check it. Are there spots that barely move? When your scalp is tight, it's usually a sign of stress. And when blood flow is poor, your hair suffers too. So let's get that scalp moving. Loosen up, keep it going. Your hair starts glowing too. And now, try to gather your hairline scalp.
Now with your fingertips, try gathering the scalp together. Almost like you're gently lifting it away from the scalp. You might be thinking, does scalp massage really do anything? But here's the rule. If you want to lift your face, start with the scalp. That's non-negotiable. Don't stop while ads are on.
Okay, so just put your palm just beneath your eyebrow here, like this, and put your two fingers on here and stretch like this.
Now let's move into one of today's magic methods. When stress builds up, this area gets tight and stuck. And that's when frown lines, sagging around the eyes, and puffiness start becoming your default. So imagine you're peeling this fascia open. Gently stretch it up and down. Right there. You feel that spot, don't you?
Okay, now the other side. Put thumb here and two fingers downward, upward and downward. So put your three fingers just beneath your eyebrow and just above the eyelids. So around here, and try to press and lift. Press and lift.
This little move can bring your eyelids back up. Place your fingers gently here. Press straight in. Then lift upward. I'm telling you, this works. Let's start bringing those eyelids back up. By the end, you'll notice your vision actually feels wider.
Now make this joint and put it on here and move your face.
This one can literally make you cry. The pain might hit so deep, it feels like your skull is buzzing. But listen, right now, your body needs this level of awakening. So let out a scream, let the tears drop, and feel the soul of your eyes being cleansed.
And now the other side. Slowly move.
Don't stop while ads are on.
And now put your fingers on in between your eyebrows and shake and relax. Breathe deeply. Try to widen the space in between your eyebrow like this. You are doing like this all the time, so you're trying to widen. To do that, just relax.
Breathe out as you relax your eyebrow muscles. Gently let the outer edges of your brows soften and drop.
Trying to smile, then it's gonna stretch here. Lower the end of the eyebrows.
Make a soft smile and release. As if you're drawing in a gentle happiness energy from the space between your brows.
So, put 2 fingers and try to gather your skin on your forehead like this.
Don't stop while ads are on.
So now make your fists and massage like this.
If your skin is dry, you can use a little oil. And let me warn you, at first, this might hurt. Like, wait, seriously? Kind of hurt. Most of the time, that just means your blood flow isn't great yet. The key here is improving circulation. Do you feel your forehead warming up? That's the sign your blood flow is coming back. That's the first step to baby smooth skin.
Now put 3 fingers on your forehead and up, down, up, down.
Now the forehead, super important for lifting your eyes. Look, when you move this muscle, see, the height changes instantly. So yes, whoever trains these muscles higher wins. Hold the wrinkles down with your fingers and let's train it right here. Don't stop while ads are on. Tighten under your eyes. Relax your forehead. Breathe out and release. Stretch from your under eye until your upper lip. Roll your lips inside your teeth. Lift up the corners of your mouth. Try connecting the end of your eyebrows and the corners of your mouth. Relax in between your eyebrows. It's like drawing a circle with your face. See the circle in the face? Good! Feel that every cell of your face is radiating. You are the goddess of smile, so be happy. Not because someone says you look pretty, but because your joy is sacred. Make the best smile in the world. One that lifts your face and shifts the whole damn frequency of the planet. Never let anyone tell you you look old. That's a dead spell. Now we speak glow, power, and presence. We're not chasing youth. We are activating radiance. And our faces, they don't sag. They rise. Because they are the happiest faces in the world. You held on so well. Now let your face go. Release it.
And now put your 3 fingers above your eyebrows and shake and relax. Exhale and release tension.
So, how do you feel? Did your scalp move? Did your eyes like the way you massaged them? Remember, if we don't take care of these areas, they slowly go back to the way they were. That's why we do this regularly, together. Little massages, little exercises. Even if your face is full of wrinkles or sagging right now, your skin is always renewing itself. Your skin keeps changing for the better when you give it the care it deserves. And yes, you can glow at any age and keep baby smooth skin for the rest of your life. I mean it. Because this is built on self-care and kindness towards yourself. These aren't just empty words. It's a real and a proven method, step by step. So come back tomorrow. Let's keep making that baby smooth skin together. Don't stop while ads are on.
How do you feel? Your forehead? Satisfying, huh? Good job! If you feel the difference, just tell me in the comments. I read every single one with love. Hit like and subscribe if you haven't yet. To smooth wrinkles all over your face, watch this video next. See you in my next video! また次の動画でお会いしましょう